Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. I already opened it because I wasn't sure what it was. But you guys can check them out. If you like this item, all you got to do is click the link down below. Add it to your cart. Check out fast so they can ship this to you fast. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is Monday. We made it through the weekend. And now this one is coming from Torras. This is really cool. They got the howl foil right here. Nice package design. And this is going to be called the L3 Stay Cool Everywhere Bladeless Neck Fan. The original. Oh, yes. This would be great for gifts for anyone you know that does like construction, landscaping, pretty much anything outdoor activities like disc golf, pretty much everything. Mother's Day is coming up, so you might want to grab your mom one of these also, so she can stay cool if she does garden work and stuff like that. So, charging interface, neck wearing, air outlet, power indicator, stay cool, dual turbo fan, low noise double magnetic motor, and then patent double vent design. Alright, this has it all, guys. This is the one to get. You'll be very happy once you purchase this one. Comes with a nice little manual, but should be easy to go and use. So let's put that there. Comes with a USB. I already unboxed it because I wasn't sure if it was my other package or what, but we got it going. Gotta get it going. So USB right here. Nice cord. Take that on the road with you. So if you don't know what to give somebody this year, maybe give one of these. Something different, something unique. Here she is. This is really cool. Torras. Got the fans. There's a power button. Look how flex it is. Do your own workout. 1, 2, but look at that. Bam. Boom. Twist and shout. You can see all the fans up here. Or not the fans, but the vents. Except for there. The side. This thing is super cool. It cools you off really fast. I already tested it out. Definitely is a plus in my book. Something you guys need that work outdoors, or even if you're cutting the grass this summer, you're gonna want to put one of these on. So like another Father's Day gift idea. So your choice. Right there down below. Click the link. Turn this thing on. There's 1 speed. That's pretty quiet, but it's super cool. I can feel it with 1 speed. Just breeze. Just cool breeze in the summertime. That's all we need. So that's that number 2. It is quiet. And there's 3. I'm going to try this on. Right side. See the R and the L. You can flip that around. This is the way to wear it. Oops. And you put the USB right there to charge it. Quick charge and all, so this is definitely a handy, useful tool in this society, so definitely check them out. I'm going to put it around my neck. Ooh. Don't mind me, I just woke up, so here we go. You can feel it. Right there. Cools your neck. Pretty good. Right side there. Right side here. There we go. There we go. Alright. So definitely check these guys out, YouTubers. And then I will see you guys pretty soon. Be safe. Have a good night. See ya.